What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 21 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on our screen, it's Friday, May 21st. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tracker. All right, guys, as you can see, my tracker looks a little bit different today. Your boy bought some more shares of NEO to help myself average down just a little bit. And then also I bought some future fintech, 100 more shares of that to average down my cost in that as well. And I also bought 1 share of coin, aka Coinbase. And that way I can start building up my position in that, because I think it'll probably hit around 400 later on this year. But who knows with crypto? Crypto's been up and down as well, just like anything else. So, but I'm still a believer in crypto, so I'm gonna keep investing in Coinbase as well. And let me know below, guys, of like what plays you guys are building out before things start to turn around. So just kind of curious where you guys are at. Let's go to transactions. So you can see in transactions, this is the price that I bought it at, $3.17 for future fintech. I think it was at 5 something future fintech. We'll double check here in a second. When we dump to my app, again, bought 100 shares of that. NEO, bought 5 more shares of that. And then again, Coinbase just 1. I did purchase both of these using my Dogecoin profits. Again, if you're new to the channel, I sold off half my profits of Dogecoin, and then I used that buying power in order to buy these 2 plays. So just give you guys a heads up. And then options, I didn't buy any options this week. And then deposits, I did deposit $200 into my account. So we're at a grand total of $62.50 for this challenge. Again, guys, if you're new, there are some plays that aren't included inside of my portfolio in the app that we're about to see. So just FYI, if your things look kind of off, that's the reason why. So, and then with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. Your boy's currently sitting at $9,741.31. And as you can see on the right, again, I have like 4 plays that aren't included. These top 2 are my dividend plays. And then these 2 are ones that I just kind of like, I'm playing around with and see where they go. Let me go ahead and scroll down to, well, let's go for the week. I'm up 3.06%. So about 290 for the week. A lot better than last week, tell you that much. So let's see, going to GNOG. So for GNOG, for the week, I'm up 11%. Let's see, scroll on down. Total return is still about a quarter on GNOG, but I do like the direction that it's headed in. We're about overdue for a change. And then let's see, I'll show you guys NEO. Again, my tracker that I showed you guys does not count after hours activity, if you didn't know that, so it looks a little bit different. But for the week, I'm up 1.80%. Total return is down 8.72% for NEO. Let's see, APXT for the week, I'm up about 1%, but total return is still down about 33%. But glad it's picking up steam. Let's see. Tattooed Chef for the week, up 14%. So this is definitely headed in the right direction. And the average cost is $25.18. So I'm almost there. And then, yeah, done about 20% on this play. And future fintech for the week, up about 2%. Average cost is $4.69. So I can really still keep averaging down on this thing if I wanted to. and total return is down 38%. And then I'll show you my cash, show what I deposited so you know I'm not lying. So again, as you can see, $200 on the 21st. So that way you guys know I'm not lying about anything as far as like the amount of money that I'm putting in my account, and you guys can follow the money, you know what I'm saying? So but that's all I have for you guys. If you made it this far in the video, give your boy that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.